Hello, hi. This is Bobby. This is a short demo of an application I have been recently working on. It is built using Ruby on Rails in the backend and Vue.js in the frontend. This application is to manage a fictitious boutique hotel called Heavenly Heights. Let's dive into the demo. We have a simple landing page with an image of the hotel and an about page describing its ambience and history. The major functionalities start at the cabin listing page. It currently has 8 cabins. The guest can see cabin details like name, maximum guest capacity, and the discounted prices. To know more about the cabin and make reservations, the guest can use a detailed page. They can see a detailed view of the cabin and a text description of it. To make a booking, the user has to log in. So let's try to log in. This is the login page and this is the register page. Let's log in as client 1. This is a reservation form. The user can select the desired dates, add number of guests, add instruction to the team and opt for breakfast as well. So let's choose between 11th and 14th of September, add guest of 3, and let me add an instruction as well, like can I bring my pet. So this is an inquiry to the admin team, and let me opt for the breakfast as well. After reservation, the total comes up to be 3820. Let's make the reservation now. Voila! We have created the reservation and we are taken to the reservation listing page. Here the guests can view their reservations from past, current and future dates. They can see the payment status, booking status, they can see the selected date range and also the booking date. They can edit their reservation and delete their reservation as well. Every logged in user can update their profile, name, nationality, national ID, and profile image. This helps in easy check-in. The email ID once created cannot be updated. These are the guest functionalities that we have in the website. Let's check what the admins can do. While the guest user has access to their own reservations, the admin can access reservations of all the users. They can edit or delete the reservations. In edit, they can update the payment status. They can update the booking status as well. Also, the admin can view all the users in the platform. They have a list view of reservation of each user as well. In case of cabin, they can create and update cabins. Let me create Bobby cabin 1 with 12 as the capacity, uh, 50 as the regular price, and 10 as a discounted price. Let me add a thumbnail as well. Yeah, the cabin has been created. They can edit or even update the cabin, or they can delete the cabin. These are the functionalities of our application. Let's now see some non-functional requirements that are met by our application. Let's start with front-end caching. Our website has a strong front-end caching. For example, cabin data is fetched only on the initial node, and moving between pages does not fetch the data from the API again. We are at the cabins listing page. We have hit the API once. Let's move to the about page and come back to the cabins listing page. We are not hitting the API for the second time. The data is being cached in the front end. The listing APIs are paginated. It helps to scale the application without putting stress on the server. The listing API have filters as well. Pagination comes with data prefetching and caching in the front end. This provides a seamless experience for the user even in bad network condition. Let's quickly pull page 2. Let me quickly refresh the page as well. In here, on fetching page 2, that's adjacent pages, page 1 and page 3, they are fetched. This is called prefetching, and this helps in seamless transition between pages, even in bad network condition. Apart from this, we have strong backend and frontend validations using Vue.validate. So we go to the let's go to the cabin page. Let's try to make another reservation. So let's try to submit the form. We have to choose the dates, and let's select like 8 to 13th, and let me put 2 as a guest capacity. And if I try to reserve, we have strong backend validation to check for date overlaps. Also, our application is highly accessible using keyboard, so we can navigate between pages using keyboard. You can do functionalities using keyboard as well. Now let's deep dive into the infrastructure part. The website and database is hosted in Render. We have a hosting for the static page, we have hosting for API, and we have Postgres database as well in Render. Also, all the images are handled by Cloudinary. It helps in efficient delivery of all the images. Coming to the tech stack, we use Vue and Vue Router, Tailwind CSS and shadcn for theming and for front-end components. Tanstack query helps in front-end caching, automated prefetching, and all the prefetching functionalities. We use Axios to hit APIs. Also, we use Cloudinary, Vue.validate, and sort for form and data validation. In the backend, we use Ruby on Rails API only mode. Then we use device and device JWT for authentication and can gem for authorization. This is the high level design of our application. All the code we have is stored in GitHub, and this is the happy flow. If you'd like to have a live demo of our application, please log into heavenlyheightsresort.render.com and use client1 at gmail and admin1 at gmail.com for client and admin logins. Thank you.